Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to convert a Facebook profile to a business page. Sometimes you may want to convert your Facebook profile into a business page so you can promote your work, brand, or services more professionally. A business page gives you access to tools like audience insights, advertising options, and better control over content visibility. Before converting, it's important to adjust your profile settings for privacy, post visibility, and tagging so your content is organized and professional. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on the small profile picture from the top left side to open your profile. Now tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Turn Professional Mode Off. Professional mode is usually for creators or public figures, and turning it off helps you switch your profile to a more standard business format. Now tap on Continue to confirm. This step ensures your professional settings are reset and ready for the conversion process. After that, go back and tap on the professional dashboard. Here, tap on Explore on your own and check the available tools and features, such as audience analytics and content options, which will help you manage your business page later. Now go back to the home page and tap on the three lines from the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Here, scroll down and tap on How people can find and contact you. Adjusting these settings helps control who can send friend requests and see your profile information. Now tap on Who can send you friend requests and select Friends of Friends, then tap on Save. Limiting friend requests helps keep your profile professional and reduces unwanted connections. Next, tap on Who can see your friends list, select Only Me, and tap on Save. This ensures your follower and friend information is private and only visible to you. Now go back and tap on Posts. Here, tap on Who can see your future posts, select Public, and tap on Save. Setting posts to the public allows potential customers or followers to see your content once your profile is converted. Then go back and tap on Profile and Tagging. Here, tap on Who can post on your profile, select Only Me, and tap on Save. This prevents others from posting on your profile, keeping it professional and clean. Now scroll down and turn on the toggle for review tags that people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. This helps you control what content is associated with your profile and ensures your page maintains a professional image. After that, go back to your profile and check everything. Your profile is now prepared for conversion to a business page, with privacy, visibility, and tagging settings optimized. This makes the transition smoother and ensures your new business page looks professional, safe, and ready to reach your audience. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.